equation here, we are having y plus x plus y is equals to 3, and what we are having 2x squared plus 4xy minus y is equals to 15. So that this is our equation. So that is our equation. So we're having x plus y is equals to 3 and 2x squared. Sorry for the handwriting. 2x squared plus 4xy minus y is equals to 50. So when we're having, it means that we are having this as an equation and this one as well as an equation. So if we're having this kind of simultaneous, how I prefer that you can solve this is that you start with the most complex one. Look for the most complex equation. And our most complex equation has to be, this one here is not complex, but this one sounds or seems and looks complex. So this is how we will be starting. We'll say 2x squared plus 4xy minus y is equals to 50. So when we look into this one, firstly, you must know that you must make one a subject of the formula. It's either you make what? You make x subject of the formula or y subject of the formula. So it's either that way. You make x. Look into the one that is, it's like this one. This one is more simple because the only one that is having a square is the x, meaning that you cannot pick x as a subject of the formula. Not that it cannot work, but the simplified way that you can solve this kind of an equation, you must pick one that doesn't have a square. And then when you look here, the one that doesn't have a square, it's y. Y, it's not having it's having 1 as an exponent, not 2 as an exponent. So after you realizing that, it means you must move. We move this one to the other side. So after we move this one to the other side, it will be like this. Minus 2x squared. Sorry about that. 15 minus 2x squared. So what you see here is that this side now, what you can do here is that this side is having a common factor. Once it is having a common factor, now you can factorize your equation. So how can you factorize this one is that maybe break it down. Here we are trying to